No cap, girl, you know you a real one. You can call me whenever you need some. She hold it down for me whenever I need some. You a vibe, baby, I don't wanna leave ya.
Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on all social medias. All that stuff is linked down below. And if you're not new here, welcome back. And yeah, let's get right into this video. So today's video is an unboxing video. I have not done one of these in a long time. I've been primarily focused on makeup, but it was highly requested that I get back into hair videos. So today we will be doing an unboxing of, I finally got on the CURLBOX subscription list. This, however, is not a subscription box. I don't get my first subscription box until like maybe a week from now because I signed up for the month of May. If you know, it's really hard to get on the waiting list. You have to wait on the waiting list, and then like when they finally open the list up, it sells like that. So thank the Lord that I got on the May one. But this is actually the March 2020 box. It's a specialty box, and it has the AFROSHEEN, it has the AFROSHEEN products in it. And yeah, so I'm gonna open this up and tell you guys what I got, and then I will be taking these braids out very soon because they don't look bad, but I miss my hair and my hair is really itchy, so like they gotta go very soon. So when they go, y'all will get to see me use these products. But until then, let's get into what's in this box. So just a little background on CURLBOX. You get various array of full-size products. The boxes are only $20, but shipping is $5, so you pay a total of $25 each month for the boxes. And like I said, it's really hard to get on the list to get the box, but they do sell separate boxes for people who don't have subscriptions. That's how I got this March specialty box. So if you would like to sign up for the waiting list, I'm gonna link their website down below and all that good stuff. Okay, so I got 5 products, so I'm gonna tell you what products I got and read the description from this little thing. Okay, so first I got the Slick Back Cream Styler. I love a little slick back, but my hair too short right now, so I can't slick it back. I'm bald headed. Anyway, it's 6 ounces, and it says this non-greasy, non-flaking cream styler is developed to smooth the hairline for sleek styles, great for holding down flyaways and slicking back the hair into buns, ponytails, top knots, afro puffs, and more. I do like afro puffs, so this is gonna be, ooh, it's gonna be great. Okay, so I expected it to be like a gel, but it's a cream. It smells really good. It's really thick. Okay, so I'm really excited to use this because I'm not sure how well a cream can slick stuff down. Hold on. Okay, so from the little slick that I did, like, for it to be a cream, it slicks. I don't do my edges, so I wasn't gonna try to do a little swoopy swoop, just, you know, just slick these babies down. But it's not sticky like edge control is. Oh wow. Okay. First of all, I said I expected it to be gel because it says slick back, and it clearly says slick back cream styler. Anyway, well, and it's extra hold. So if you like stuff with extra hold, this is for you. And it says it has no sulfates, mineral oils, petrolatum, or flavonoids, whatever that is. I don't know how to pronounce that word. I'll post it down below. And it says it's not formulated with parabens. Avocado oil to nourish, coconut milk to condition, and shea butter to moisturize. Okay, so next we have the texture setting cream gel. I've never used the cream gel, so I'm really excited for that. Again, no sulfates, all that good stuff. Flaxseed oil to nourish, coconut oil to condition, and shea butter to moisturize. And the description of this is, this unique cream gel hybrid enhances your natural coil and curl pattern, providing superior hydration, curl definition, and shine. Gives a long-lasting hold with no flakes. I have never tried the cream gel, so I'm really excited to try that. Ooh, it's a pretty purple color. This also smells really good. I can't really think of, it doesn't really have a distinct smell, like it smells like something, but it smells good. And the consistency, very lightweight, it's not heavy. Feels kind of oily, so I feel like it really would moisturize your hair. Y'all. Shout out to just having rags laying around because okay, so next we have the AFROSHEEN texture flexing foam. I really like flexing foams. This will probably help my braids not look so messy right now. I'm gonna have to use this before I make a video for y'all. It says great for wet and dry sets, twist outs, and rod sets. This texture foam defines and sets hair, adding shine and conditioning all in one step. Again, it's made with no sulfates, all that good stuff. It's made with argan oil for shine, coconut oil to condition, and shea butter to moisturize. Let's see. It smells like all the other products. They all smell the same. I like when stuff has a consistent smell. I don't want to waste product. Y'all see this from that slick back? It's still slick. My edges don't slick like this. They curl right back up. So I'm feeling this. I'm feeling it. Period. Next we have the Velvet Flow 4-in-1 leave-in conditioner. Something is leaking, and maybe I'm tripping. I think I'm tripping. Okay. Yeah, it says it's a detangler and a curl refresher. So it's a leave-in, a detangler, curl refresher. What is wrong with me? It says this leave-in conditioner works as a detangler and curl refresher, moisturizing curls and coils and protecting against heat. Oh wow, so you can use it as a heat protectant. Huh. So it's a leave-in, a detangler, you can refresh your curls, and it's a heat protectant. That's great. This one actually doesn't really smell like anything. Don't mind me. Okay, maybe it does have a little bit of smell to it, but it's not as fragrant as the others. And lastly, which is usually my favorite part of hairlines, is oil. It's a 3-in-1 nourishing oil. It's for hair, scalp, and if you're a man watching this, you can use this on your beard. Y'all need to get them beards together, Some of the beards be looking scraggly, so maybe just it says this 3-in-1 oil works as a treatment for, okay, it says the same thing that I just read. It says it's exclusive to Walgreens, so I think you can only find this at Walgreens. They don't have that on Amazon, if that's what I'm thinking. That's what it means. And it says it has jojoba oil to hydrate, vitamin E oil to moisturize, and argan oil for shine. Let me see if it has one of the little things on it. Oh, that is beautiful, because a lot of oils don't come with this on it, and it's easy for them to spill, like before you get it. It'll waste like everywhere. Okay, this doesn't smell like anything, so it's not fragrant, and that's good because I don't really like fragrant oils. Okay, it has a regular oil consistency, but it doesn't feel too greasy, because some oils are like really thick, and wow, it's very lightweight. It's not greasy at all. It still doesn't have a smell. Okay, so I like how it feels on my scalp, because like I said, a lot of oils be like really thick, so when you put them on your hair, like your hair feels heavy. My scalp feels like I didn't even put anything on there. So I guess we're gonna have to see when I finally like use these products if like it moisturizes, because it could be too lightweight that it won't penetrate my scalp at all. But okay guys, so that is all the products that were sent to me. I will be back with another video reviewing these products once I take these braids out, and I'll be back with another unboxing video in like a week or so, because I get my makeup box. Now I'm really excited to see what's in there. I hope it's some good stuff. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, all the products will be linked down below, along with CURLBOX's website. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video.